Dancing in Class by Really Learn English. This is a story by Really Learn English. The name of this story is Dancing in Class. This story will help you practice the present progressive tense. Listen to the audio and read the text. You can find many more stories and lessons at reallylearnenglish.com. Are you ready? Let's start. Georgia is sitting in class. Her professor is standing in front of the room. He is talking. He is talking a lot. Georgia is finding the class a bit boring. In Georgia's mind, she is doing something else. In Georgia's imagination, she is not sitting in class. She is dancing on a stage in front of hundreds of people. She is wearing a beautiful costume. She is tapping. She is twirling. She is spinning on one leg. The stage lights are shining in her eyes. She is closing her eyes and concentrating on the music. She is having so much fun. Her heart is beating fast. The music is changing. She is changing costumes. Now she is dancing again. She is kicking her feet. She is leaping. She is flying through the air. Soon, she is finishing her show. The audience is standing on their feet. They are clapping and shouting. Bravo! Bravo! Georgia is taking a bow. Georgia is smiling for the cameras. Bravo! Bravo! She is having so much fun. Georgia! Georgia? Georgia's classmates are staring at her. Georgia! Her professor is saying, looking at her with concern. He is not teaching anymore.
Yes?
Georgia is feeling a bit embarrassed. Her cheeks are getting red. Are you feeling okay? You are shouting bravo, bravo, in class.
Oh, yes, Professor. Sorry. I am just enjoying the class so much. Bravo. Bravo.
The end. Thank you for watching. This was a story by Really Learn English. You can find many more stories and lessons for English teachers and learners at reallylearnenglish.com.